Hi guys, it's Ray. It is Butterfly Lane Designs sub box time. So this must have been the July subscription box. So let's see what we have. So these are our freebies. These are from, oh my goodness, Glitter Fetish, which we've seen me use before. Just open this up. This one says Jackpot. It's a chrome pigment. And this is one of her unicorn alcohol inks. Hers ship with just powder in them. And then you fill it with 90% alcohol to make it function. And this is how her samples always come in these really cute little pills. So that is that. Let's see what the subscription box was. If you order a subscription box, please do not order it with anything else and do not use my coupon code. They are already discounted and she will cancel your order. So check out a subscription box completely separately from anything else you plan to order. So these are our decals. Bless this hot mess with a little dragonfly on it. Courage, growth, self-care, naps, acceptance, worthy. So I am loved. Have faith in yourself. Time waits for no one. Be happy now. Write your own story and be you. Love that one. Self-care is not selfish. Direction is more important than speed. You can go fast in the wrong direction. You are loved. You are enough. Butterfly and a feather. And don't be afraid to give up the good and go for great. So those are all of our decals. Very muted color palette. Blacks and pale pinks. And so there is this butterfly sheet, which is a clear. So that is a clear print. And then we have this one with the compasses on it. Love that. And a little inkwell to write your own story. Then we have these compasses. This one's beautiful. And this one is gorgeous too. And this one's really cool. Very, you know, that word I can't think of right now. And this one, steampunk. These ones are kind of steampunk. And just a small print of florals. And another, like, paint swatchy vinyl. So, that is all of them. Very cool. Very coordinated. So, sort of self-care, mental health kind of theme. I'm just going to kind of spread them out so we can see it all together. I love these boxes because if you're somebody that doesn't do well pairing things for yourself, these will be good for you. They all kind of have their theme. And then this one would go with those. So that is everything for this box. Again, the current subscription box is, I believe, open, and at the time I'm filming this, not yet sold out, but I make no promises. And again, the link will be down below. So that is it, and I will see you in the next one.